Hi guys, today we're gonna draw an apple. Let's go! Wait, this is all the colors in. First I need the color blue. Of course the color red. For the apple, need white for the sign, and we need this brown one and some of those green, this green and this green. Let's do it! Okay, first let's open this black color and we'll just open it. So glycerin. I'm just gonna open this color. Now it's open. Let's do it. That's it. Okay, I'm done now. Of course I never I'm not good at drawing. Wait, I'm just gonna. Next is color brown. Okay, I'm just gonna color it right here. I want to make the marks later. Just wait for the outline. I'm not good at drawing. Guys, next is the color green. Okay, let's first make it again. Okay. Wait, guys. Wait. Aww, is it cute? I think it's cute. Okay, and now some of. Now we're gonna speed it. Let's call it this. Okay, let's do it. I'm speed running, that's why I'm fast. Okay. Of course, from this one, my favorite part, the shine one. Okay, now we're done. I wish you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.